गणपतिगुं हवामहे कविं कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तमम् ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणस्पत आनः शृण्वन्नोतिभिः सेदसादनम् प्रणो देवी सरस्वती वाजेभिर्वाजिनीवते धीनामभित्रयवतो गणेशाय नमः सरस्वत्यै नमः श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः हरिः ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।
The Dalada Perahara. We, the artists from Sri Lanka, are here to present to you, Swami, our most revered traditional pageant, the Dalada Perahara, which dates back to the 4th century AD. The tooth relic of Lord Buddha was the greatest gift, the sacred gift given to us from the kings of India, by the kings of India, which was received with gratitude and fitting pageantry by the kings of Lanka. This pageant parading the tooth relic was repeated every year since, evolving into a great tradition involving the Devalayas of Lord Natha, Lord Mahavishnu, Lord Skandha and Goddess Patini, invoking the blessings of Lord Buddha and the deities of realization, peace and prosperity. The Dalada Perhara is the most comprehensive pageant displaying the exotic dance and vibrant music of Sri Lanka in its full form, color, luster, variety and splendor. Our cultural presentation today will be a traditional dance and drum performance presented in the form of a microcosm of this grand pageant. Dear Swami, we hope that you will be pleased with our performance, and we extend our heartfelt gratitude for your graceful presence.
And now, my dear brothers and sisters, for the sake of all of us, and in fact for the sake of humanity, I pray to Bhagavan Baba that he will give us his divine Buddha Purnima discourse.
Embodiments of divine love.
పితలకు శ్రీలంక విద్యార్థులు ఉపన్యాసకులు మాస్టర్స్ చక్కగా బోధించారు.
Till now, dignitaries from Sri Lanka have spoken about the great teachings of the Lord.
నిజముగా దైవత్వము సర్వత్రా నిండినటువంటి వాడు.
Truly speaking, divinity is everywhere.
దివ్యత్వం లేని స్థానము, దివ్యత్వం లేని జ్ఞానము ఎక్కడ కూడా కనిపించడం లేదు.
There is no place, there is no teaching where you don't find divinity.
ముఖ్యంగా ఎవరు ఏ విషయాన్ని వర్ణించినప్పటికీ సర్వయంత్రులను ఒక దైవత్వమైన జ్ఞాపకం వస్తుంది.
Whatever anyone may teach, one thing we have to recognize is that there is divinity in everyone.
కొన్ని పదవులు ఎందుకు దైవత్వం ఉన్నదని, కొన్ని ప్రదేశాలలో దైవత్వం లేదని వాదిస్తుంటారు ప్రజలు. కానీ దైవత్వం లేనటువంటి స్థానం, దైవత్వం లేనటువంటి జ్ఞానం ఎక్కడ కూడా కనిపిస్తుంది.
There are many ignorant people who say that divinity is present in some places and not present in some other places. But it is not correct. Divinity is to be found everywhere.
కనుక వారి వారి భావమును పురస్కరించుకొని వారు చెప్పుకుంటే కానీ దైవం ఒక్కటే. గాడ్ ఈజ్ వన్.
God is only one. People may describe him differently depending on their understanding and their feeling.
కనుక దైవత్వాన్ని విభజించటము ఇది అసాధ్యం.
It is not correct to divide the images of divinity.
ఈ డివైన్ను మనము లిమిట్ చేసుకోవటం చాలా పొరపాటు.
To limit divinity is a great mistake.
ఎందుకంటే దైవములకు ఒక లిమిట్ లేదు.
God is limitless.
అది బౌండ్లెస్.
He is boundless.
ఈ సర్వాంతర్యామి.
And he is present everywhere.
ఈ సర్వభూతాంతరాత్మ.
He is the embodiment of all the beings.
అటువంటి దైవత్వాన్ని ఎవరు ఏ రీతిగా వర్ణించారు?
Such a divinity can never be described completely by anyone.
ప్రేమ స్వరూపులారా,
Embodiments of love.
నిజముగా దైవత్వాన్ని విచారించిన వారు ఒక్కరు మాత్రమే.
There is only one God that you can arrive at after contemplation.
కొంతకాలం నుండి మన లంక లోపల చాలా వివిధమైనటువంటి భావములు బయలుదేరినాయి.
For some time now, in Lanka, different kind of differences have cropped up.
కానీ ఎవరైనా చెప్పినప్పుడు దైవం ఒక్కడే అనేటువంటి సత్యాన్ని మీరు గట్టిగా విశ్వసించండి.
Whatever others may say, we have to believe firmly. We have to say firmly that God is one and the same for everyone.
ఓన్లీ ఒకే దైవమే.
Only one God.
దీన్ని ప్రత్యేకంగా విభజించడం ఇది చాలా పొరపాటు.
It is a sin, it is a blunder to divide ourselves on this kind of foolish thoughts.
ఒకనొక సమయం లోపల జీసస్ దగ్గరికి ఒక ముసలమ్మ వచ్చింది.
Once it happened, an old woman went to Jesus.
కానీ ఆ జీసస్ను ఏమడిగింది ఆమె?
And he asked her, what do you want?
స్వామి, మీరు జీసస్ అయినా?
Lord, are you Jesus?
ఆయన చెప్పాడు, నీవు ఏమి పిలుస్తావో అదే నేను అన్నాను.
I am what you call me.
కానీ నాకు జీసస్ అనేది పేరు ప్రపంచం పెట్టింది, అల్లా అని పేరు పెట్టింది ప్రపంచమే.
Jesus is the name given to me, but you can call me by any name. You can call me even Allah.
కనుక ఇవన్నీ మారేటువంటి పేర్లే.
These are ever-changing names,
ప్రేమ స్వరూపులారా,
embodiments of love.
మీరందరూ కూడాను లంకను వదిలి ఇంతమంది ఇక్కడికి రావటం నా పైన ఉన్నటువంటి ప్రేమనే దీనికి మూల కారణం.
So many of you have come from Lanka because of your love for Swami.
మీకు ఎంతటి ప్రేమ ఉన్నదో అంతకు 100 రెట్లు ప్రేమ నాకు కూడా ఉన్నది.
Swami's love is 100 times more than your love for him.
లంకకు ఎన్నో ఆపత్తులు జరిగినాయి.
In Lanka, the country had to face many obstacles.
ఈనాడు కాదు, రావణుని కాలం నుంచి
Even from the time of Ravanasura, Lanka had to face many difficulties.
ఎప్పటికీ లంకను ఎవరు ఏమి చేయలేరు.
But nobody can do any harm to Lanka.
లంక నిరంతరము సుక్షేమంగానే ఉంటుండాలి.
Lanka will be always secure and prosperous.
దైవమే ఈ యొక్క దేశములకు లీడరు.
That is why this country is eternal.
కనుక దైవత్వం ఉండినంత వరకు మీకు ఎట్టి భయము లేదు.
As long as you have faith in divinity, you have nothing to fear.
మీరందరూ సుక్షేమంగా జీవించండి.
You live very happily and securely.
కనుక అది మీ యొక్క దేహం,
That is your faith in divinity.
అది మీ యొక్క దేశము,
That is your country.
ఎక్కడ ఉండినప్పటికీ ఏమి చేసినప్పటికీ దైవము మీ వెంటనే జంటనే ఇంటనే ఉంటున్నాడు.
Wherever you may go, whatever you may do, God is always with you, in you, around you, behind you.
లంక ప్రజల యొక్క హృదయాలు చాలా నిరంతరం కూడాను సుక్షేమంగా ఉంటుంటాయి.
All the time, the people of Lanka will be always secure and prosperous.
ఏదో కొన్ని వస్తుంటాయి పోతుంటాయి. ఇట్స్ ద పాసింగ్ క్రౌడ్స్.
Many troubles may come and go like passing clouds.
ఇవన్నీ పాసింగ్ క్రౌడ్స్.
There are many passing clouds.
కనుక మీరు ఏ మాత్రము భయపడకండి.
Don't be afraid of anything.
మీ వెంటనే జంటనే ఇంటనే కంటనే ఉంటుంది దైవం కాపాడుతున్నాడు.
Swami, God will be always with you, in you, behind you, by your side, and He will always protect you.
కనుక మీరు ధైర్యంగా నిలిచి దీన్ని ఎదుర్కోండి.
Be courageous and march forward and face the difficulties.
మీరందరూ ప్రేమ స్వరూపులే.
You are the embodiments of love, all of you.
ప్రేమ ఉన్న చోటంతా ఎవరు కూడా ఏ మాత్రము పుట్టలేరు.
Where there is love, there cannot be any adversity.
ప్రేమనే దైవము, దైవమే ప్రేమ.
Love is God, God is love.
ప్రేమ స్వరూపులారా,
Embodiments of love.
నేను త్వరలోపలే మీ లంకను గుణను ప్రదర్శిస్తాను.
Swami is going to come to Lanka soon.
మీకు శాశ్వతమైన ఆనందాన్ని అందిస్తాను.
Swami is going to grant all of you eternal bliss.
నేడు రేపు నడచడం కష్టము, తిరగటం కష్టము. అది బాడీ యొక్క నేచర్.
The kind of difficulty that comes to a man is only temporary for the body. Difficulty is only for the body.
వస్తుంటాయి, పోతుంటాయి.
They come and go.
ఇవన్నీ టెంపరీ.
These are all temporary.
దేహానికి జరిగేటువంటి యొక్క బావులు ఇవన్నీ జరుగుతుంటాయి.
It's only for the body these troubles can come.
కనుక దీనికి ఎవరు కూడా అడ్డు చేయడానికి వేయలేదు.
Nobody can confront these problems.
ఇవన్నీ లెక్క చేయకుండా నేను తప్పక మీ చిరకాల ప్రయోజనం పొందడానికి నేను త్వరలోనే వస్తున్నాను.
I don't care for any difficulties, and within a very short time I will come to your country.
శ్రీలంకలో బాలులకు మొదలుకొని వృద్ధులు మొదలుకొని ఎవరి వరకు కూడాను నిరంతరము స్వామిని స్మరిస్తూనే ఉన్నారు.
All the time, whether they are children or youth or elders, old people, all the time you are thinking of Swami.
ఆ సంకల్ప ఫలము త్వరలో పని నెరవేరుస్తారు.
You are going to get the fulfillment and reward for your penance which you have been doing.
అది మీరు మనసులో పెట్టుకోండి.
Have that firmly installed in your minds.
క్రమక్రమేణా కాలం మార్పుతూ వస్తున్నది.
Gradually, time will change everything.
కాలం ఎంత మారినప్పటికీ మన కర్మ, మన సన్నిహిత సంబంధ బాంధవ్యము ఏనాటికి మారదు.
Time may change, but the intimate relation between you and me is never going to change.
మీకు లేని శ్రమ ఇస్తున్నానేమో.
Swami is asking all of you whether he is troubling you by speaking to you.
Beloved Swami, the next item is the play entitled Angulimala by the youth from Sri Lanka. This story is familiar to all Buddhists. It is about a young boy whose name was Ahimsaka and who later became the infamous Angulimala. The drama will unfold itself before you, O Lord.
Om Shri Sai Ram. Our dearest Bhagavan, we, the Balvikas and the Sai youth of Sri Lanka, offer our humble pranams at your divine lotus feet and thank you for this blessed opportunity to present with gratitude a drama on the story of Angulimala during Lord Buddha's time on this sacred occasion of Buddha Purnima. Angulimala is a story about a young man who had been misguided by his guru under the influence of other jealous students. Lord Buddha, through his wisdom, intervened by encouraging Angulimala to reason. Through the Buddha's compassion, Angulimala became an arahat of the highest order. The Angulimala story serves as an example that even the worst of people can undo their faults and return to the right path. However, karma must be repaid, but it is up to the individual as to how they react to their karma that will determine the change in their character. Angulimala was peaceful and accepted what was done and was liberated from the cycle of birth and death.
A learned Brahmin named Bhargava Gagga served as the royal chaplain in the court of King Pasenadi of Kosala, one of the kingdom's highest officers. One night, his wife Mandani gave birth to a son. The father had the boy's horoscope cast and to his alarm found that his son had been born under the robber constellation, indicating that the boy had an innate disposition to a life of crime.
I refuse to accept the prophecies of the astrologer. We have named him Ahimsaka, which means innocence. I believe his destiny can be changed. He can change his fate. Yes, he can. When he grows up, he'll be strong and powerful. He will also be kind and wise. When the time comes, I will send him to the right teacher to learn life skills, Dharma Shastra. Yes, I will send him to Takshila, Gurukula. May God protect him.
Years have passed, and young Ahimsaka is an obedient and brilliant student at Taksala. His intelligence and skills were well recognized by the Guru, who praised him at all times. Other students could not fathom such commendation on Ahimsaka.
From the time Ahimsaka came, we are almost forgotten. He excels in everything and has won the Guru over completely. We must put a stop to this.
Yes,
We should do that. We must create a rift between Ahimsaka and our Guru.
Let's all think of a way to do this.
We have to destroy the trust between Ahimsaka and our Guru. Let's spin a good story.
And make the teacher believe us that we are loyal and not Ahimsaka.
Beloved Guru, we have to convey something. We have been keeping a secret, but we cannot keep it any longer.
What? A secret?
Yes, something that is being heard around the house.
What is it, my students?
It's to do with Ahimsaka. He's been disloyal to you.
Ahimsaka? Disloyal? Get away! All of you! All of you! Don't try to cause dissent between me and my best student. Remember what I have always taught you. Always speak the truth. Be true to your conscience and to all around.
Guru, don't shout at us. We are speaking the truth. Ahimsaka is misleading you. He's doing wrong. He's not Ahimsaka, not innocent anymore.
Deceiving you.
Get away! Get away! You miserable lot! Always making trouble. I have shown you the path. Be righteous.
Dear Guru, don't misunderstand us. We speak the truth. If you do not trust us, you can find out for yourself.
Get away!
Believe us, Guru. Believe us.
Get away! Oh God, what is this I hear? Could this be true? What is happening around me? It's burning me, burning me. I must make the most difficult decision. Yes, he must be put away. If I can't do that myself, let others do it for me. He will pay with his life for what he has done. I shall think of a way. Ahimsaka! Ahimsaka! Ahimsaka, you have now completed your studies under me. It is now your duty to give a gift of honor to your teacher, Guru Dakshina.
Certainly, Guru. I am anxious to know what I can offer you.
You must bring me a garland. Yes, a garland of 1,000 thumbs from the right hand. This will be your Guru Dakshina to the many skills, Dharma Shastra you have learned under my roof.
Oh Guru, how can I do that? I have never engaged in violence. I come from a family of very gentle people. Oh, how can I think of doing such a violent act? Oh, how can I do that, Guru?
Well, if the Dharma Shastra does not receive its due ceremonial homage, it will yield no fruit for you.
Oh, Guru, I'm strong on obeying you. I shall try to fulfill your wish. I have always obeyed you.
Guru's pit.
Ah, best student.
Look at him now. Now you can go and do your gurus.
Well, if the Dharma Shastra does not receive its due ceremonial homage, it will yield no fruit for you.
It is Dharma Shastra. It is Dharma Shastra. It is Dharma Shastra.
He got my thumb!
It is Dharma Shastra. It is Dharma Shastra.
Ahimsaka's father remembers what was said in his son's horoscope. It was that his son would lead a life of crime. The father, perhaps having this in mind, refuses his wife's request to save their son from the soldiers who have been set out by the king to capture Ahimsaka.
I cannot imagine that this fearful bandit is our son. Soldiers have been set out to capture him. Please go find him. Plead with him to change his way of life. He is sure to be killed.
I have no use for such a son. Let the king deal with him as he likes.
You cannot be angry with him. If you do not go, I shall. I will show him the right path. He will listen to me. He is my son. He is our son. He is our son. He is our son.
Ahimsaka is now known as Angulimala. Angulimala, the man with a garland of human thumbs. His one obsession is to fulfill the wish of his guru. He is now looking for a victim for the 1000th and the final thumb. His mother is roaming the forest looking for her son.
Ahimsaka, my son Ahimsaka. Ahimsaka, my son Ahimsaka. Ahimsaka, my son Ahimsaka.
What a good day for me. My final thumb. I got only one thumb to fulfill my guru's wish.
Ahimsaka, my son Ahimsaka. Ahimsaka, my son Ahimsaka. Ahimsaka, my son Ahimsaka.
Lord Buddha, in his compassion to all living beings, seeks out those that can be helped, those that can be shown the correct path through the Dharma. On seeing Angulimala, the Buddha realizes that the misguided Ahimsaka is still capable of changing his ways, of realizing the noble truth. But the act of shedding the blood of one's own mother holds karmic effects which can never be undone or overcome. Lord Buddha sees that Angulimala is desperate to find the final thumb, is about to come across his mother in the forest, and appears ahead of him, directly in the murderer's path.
Ahimsaka, my son Ahimsaka. Ahimsaka, my son Ahimsaka. Ahimsaka, my son Ahimsaka.
The holy man is walking calmly. What an easy prey. But why? I can't believe this. This is very strange. I could catch up with a charging elephant and seize it. I could catch up with a speeding chariot and seize it. Even a swift deer was no challenge to me. But now, though I am running fast, I cannot catch up with this holy man who is walking at a normal pace. Stop, sage, stop!
I have stopped Angulimala. It is you who must stop running.
These holy men always speak the truth. Why does he say that he has stopped when I can see he is moving? Why does he say, Angulimala, it is you who must stop running? Suppose I questioned him. While you are walking away, sage, you tell me that you have stopped and I have not. I ask you what this means.
Angulimala, I have stopped forever this journey through samsara. It is you who have lost control. You, by harming others, prolong this journey, prolong this suffering. This is the reason I say that it is you who must stop. Can you pluck a leaf from a tree, Angulimala?
I have done so, sage.
Now, can you fix it back as it was before?
I cannot do it, sage.
Angulimala, as much as the leaf cannot be put back, all the lives you have taken cannot ever be given back.
Oh my Lord, I realize the truth. I surrender my ignorance, my ego. Buddham saranam gacchami, Dhammam saranam gacchami, Sangham saranam gacchami.
Angulimala, by this timely intervention by the Buddha, turns into an enlightened Arahat. Angulimala is one of the best known figures of the Buddhist scriptures. The dramatic story of this transformation from a man driven to murder into a peaceful and enlightened Arahat is known to every child in Buddhist lands. Buddha Dhamma has been condensed into 4 lines. Sabba papassa akaranang, refrain from all immoral activities. Kusalassa upasampada, acquire merit. Sachitta pariyodapanang, purify your mind. Etam buddhanusasanang, this is the advice of all Buddhas. Our beloved Bhagavan has sounded this message. See no evil, see what is good. Speak no evil, speak what is good. Hear no evil, hear what is good. Think no evil, think what is good. Do no evil, do what is good. This is the way to God.
Sabba papassa akaranam kusalassa upasampada sachitta pariyodapanam etam buddhana sasanam sabba papassa akaranam kusalassa upasampada sachitta pariyodapanam etam buddhana sasanam. मङ्गलचरणा गजानना मङ्गलचरणा गजानना मङ्गलचरणा गजानना मङ्गलचरणा गजानना गजवदना सुभानना गजवदना सुभानना गजवदना सुभानना मङ्गलचरणा गजानना मङ्गलचरणा गजानना विद्यादायक बुद्धिप्रदायक विद्यादायक बुद्धिप्रदायक विद्यादायक बुद्धिप्रदायक गौरी तनया गजानना गौरी तनया गजानना गौरी तनया गजानना मंगलचरणा गजानना मंगलचरणा गजानना गजवदना सुभानना गजवदना सुभानना मंगलचरणा गजानना मंगलचरणा गजानना विद्यादायक बुद्धिप्रदायक गौरी तनया गजानना गौरी तनया गजानना मंगलचरणा गजानना
जय साई रामा जय रघुरामा 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 जय साई रामा जय रघुरामा
पिता
जननी माँ साई जननी जननी माँ साई जननी जननी माँ साई जननी प्रेम वाहिनी ज्ञान वाहिनी धर्म वाहिनी ध्यान वाहिनी प्रशांति वाहिनी चिर सुखधारिणी प्रशांति वाहिनी चिर सुखधारिणी जय जय साई माँ जय जय साई जननी माँ साई जननी जननी माँ साई जननी जननी माँ साई जननी प्रेम वाहिनी ज्ञान वाहिनी धर्म वाहिनी ध्यान वाहिनी प्रशांति वाहिनी चिर सुखधारिणी जय जय साई जय जय साई जननी माँ साई जननी
हे शिव शंकर नमामि शंकर शिव शंकर शंभो 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 हे गिरिजापति भवानी शंकर शिव शंकर शंभो शिव शंकर शंभो साई शिव शंकर शंभो साई शिव शंकर शंभो हे शिव शंकर नमामि शंकर शिव शंकर शंभो हे गिरिजापति भवानी शंकर शिव शंकर शंभो शिव शंकर शंभो साई शिव शंकर शंभो साई शिव शंकर शंभो शिव शंकर नमामि शंकर शिव शंकर शंभो
राधे गोविंद कृष्ण मुरारी राधे गोविंद कृष्ण मुरारी जय साई मुकुंद मुरारी
मुकुंद मुरारी
राधे गोविंद कृष्ण मुरारी
राधे गोविंद कृष्ण मुरारी
नंदा नंदा राधे गोविंदा
नंदा नंदा राधे गोविंदा
नंदा नंदा राधे गोविंदा
नंदा नंदा राधे गोविंदा
राधे गोविंदा साई गोविंदा
राधे गोविंदा साई गोविंदा
नंदा नंदा राधे गोविंदा
नंदा नंदा राधे गोविंदा
साई मुकुंद मुरारी
साई मुकुंद मुरारी
जय साई मुकुंद मुरारी
साई मुकुंद मुरारी
राधे गोविंद कृष्ण मुरारी जय साई मुकुंद मुरारी
साई मुकुंद मुरारी
राधे गोविंद कृष्ण मुरारी
राधे गोविंद कृष्ण मुरारी
नंदा नंदा राधे गोविंदा
नंदा नंदा राधे गोविंदा
राधे गोविंदा साई गोविंदा
राधे गोविंदा साई गोविंदा
नंदा नंदा राधे गोविंदा
नंदा नंदा राधे गोविंदा
साई मुकुंद मुरारी
साई मुकुंद मुरारी
जय साई मुकुंद मुरारी
साई मुकुंद मुरारी
राधे गोविंद कृष्ण मुरारी
साईनाथ भगवान 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 सत्यं शिवं सुन्दरं साईनाथ भगवान शिवं सुन्दरं साईनाथ भगवान साईनाथ भगवान साईनाथ भगवान साईनाथ भगवान साईनाथ गच्छामि
बुद्धं शरणं गच्छामि
धम्मं शरणं गच्छामि
धम्मं शरणं गच्छामि
संघं शरणं गच्छामि
संघं शरणं गच्छामि
सत्यसाई सचरणं गच्छामि
सत्यसाई सचरणं गच्छामि
सत्यसाई सचरणं गच्छामि
सत्यसाई सचरणं गच्छामि
साईनाथ भगवान् साईनाथ भगवान्
साईनाथ भगवान् साईनाथ भगवान्
सत्यं शिवं सुन्दरं साईनाथ भगवान्
सत्यं शिवं सुन्दरं साईनाथ भगवान्
साईनाथ भगवान् साईनाथ भगवान्
साईनाथ भगवान् साईनाथ भगवान्
बुद्धं शरणं गच्छामि
बुद्धं शरणं गच्छामि
धम्मं शरणं गच्छामि
धम्मं शरणं गच्छामि
संघं शरणं गच्छामि
संघं शरणं गच्छामि
सत्यसाई सचरणं गच्छामि
सत्यसाई सचरणं गच्छामि
सत्यसाई सचरणं गच्छामि
सत्यसाई सचरणं गच्छामि
साईनाथ भगवान् साईनाथ भगवान्
वाहेगुरु 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 जी बोलो वाहेगुरु 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 जी बोलो वाहेगुरु वाहेगुरु जी बोलो वाहेगुरु 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 जी बोलो सत्यनाम 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 जी बोलो सत्यनाम 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 जी सत्यनाम 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 जी बोलो कृष्ण 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 जी बोलो कृष्ण 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 जी बोलो कृष्ण 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 जी बोलो कृष्ण 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 जी बोलो नित्य नित्य जपिए कृष्ण नाम जी नित्य नित्य जपिए कृष्ण नाम जी बोलो बुद्ध 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 जी बोलो 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 नित्य नित्य जपिए बुद्ध नाम जी बोलो नित्य नित्य जपिए बुद्ध नाम जी बोलो नित्य नित्य जपिए बुद्ध नाम जी नित्य नित्य जपिए बुद्ध नाम जी बोलो राम 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 जी बोलो राम 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 जी बोलो राम 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 जी राम 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 जी बोलो नित्य नित्य जपिए राम नाम जी नित्य नित्य जपिए राम नाम जी बोलो नित्य नित्य जपिए राम नाम जी नित्य नित्य जपिए राम नाम जी बोलो नित्य नित्य जपिए राम नाम जी बोलो नित्य नित्य जपिए राम नाम जी
जय जगदीश हरे स्वामी सत्य साई हरे भक्त जना संरक्षक भक्त जना संरक्षक पति महेश्वरा ओम जय जगदीश हरे शशिवदना श्रीकरा सर्वा प्राणपते स्वामी सर्वा प्राणपते आश्रित कल्पलतिका आश्रित कल्पलतिका आपद बांधवा ओम जय जगदीश हरे मात पिता गुरुदैवमु मरियंतयु नीवे स्वामी मरियंतयु नीवे नाद ब्रह्म जग जगन्नाथ नाद ब्रह्म जगन्नाथ नागेन्द्राश्रय ओम जय जगदीश हरे ओंकार रूप ओजस्वी ओ साई महादेवा सत्य साई महादेवा मंगलहारति अंधुको मंगलहारति अंधुको मंदर गिरिधारी ओम जय जगदीश हरे नारायण नारायण ओम सत्यनारायण नारायण नारायण ओम नारायण नारायण ओम सत्यनारायण नारायण ओम सत्यनारायण नारायण ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा नारायण नारायण ओम सत्यनारायण नारायण नारायण ओम नारायण नारायण ओम सत्यनारायण नारायण ओम नारायण नारायण ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा नारायण नारायण ओम सत्यनारायण नारायण नारायण ओम नारायण नारायण ओम सत्यनारायण नारायण ओम सत्यनारायण नारायण ओम जय जय सद्गुरुदेवा शांति 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 समस्त लोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्त लोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्त लोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु शांति 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 जय